going on out here, a little Tilly.
All the weights in the back, and oh shoot!
The net right there in front of you. Oh shit!
Oh! Oh! Yeah! What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're fishing for walleye. Alright. Yes. Oh no, not the right, that's the straps. You're right. You're right, sir. You're right. I would have had to dive in.
No, I would have pulled it back out.
Oh yeah, Jerry, pull out. I'm just kidding. All right guys, so welcome back to another evening. We're just getting out right after work right now. It's roughly about 5 p.m. and we're gonna try to drift by our corner and see what's up. We don't know how well they're doing or if anybody's even been out, but the water's pretty clean right now, and they're calling for like a week's worth of bad weather this weekend. It's supposed to be really rainy and cold and stuff like that, but we're gonna try to make do with what we got right now. The water temp is roughly about 60 degrees, so it is dropping. But I've got no walleye yet. I think Jerry's got 2. A few other people got a couple and stuff like that. But we're gonna try to find our first limit of the year. Put in this work. We have like a 2-hour window before it gets really dark, and then after that, we gotta head in. Wow, this water is way lower. Holy smokes! I'm pretty surprised right now. All right, my brother. Yeah, I'm pretty surprised. So we're loading out at Jewett Park right now, and this is where our local entry is at usually during our walleye season. You've seen us come out here with Rob Langbridge and Scott and Mark and all that. We're all the people are gonna come coming soon once we make this video. Hopefully we do well. Let's get on the water. All right, Jerry Bear. All right.
Buick fishes?
Your Buick fishes?
Buick fishes.
Hopefully I don't lose anything in my pockets.
Yeah. Maybe last time on my pliers.
Yeah, your pliers.
I was looking down, see maybe I can see my pliers.
Soon.
No, somebody probably fished them up.
Yeah.
People magnet fish this all the time.
All right, so we got overcast conditions right now. It's kind of a slight east wind. It was earlier a southwest, but right now, totally different story. We're gonna take the filthy ore out. We good, brother?
Yeah. Put up my wallet and thing.
All right. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, she's good. She's good. She's all good. Okay. All right. Let's get her out there. So I recently purchased this boat earlier in the season. You guys see me on a few videos already with this thing, and it actually treated us pretty well, except for that right there.
Oh, attitude-y.
Yeah. Well, we haven't ran it in like 2 weeks, right? Yeah. Too much work. But
Good weather too.
yeah, we haven't had the best weather at all this year. It's been crazy. Tell me what you guys think about the weather this year and the water clarity. Very, very tough with us. So there is a ship. That might be the vehicle of the day. The Manitoulin. Very big ship. It looks like it's empty right now. That looks like it's going to be a gravel ship. Right there. Yeah, it's got the excavator and everything. Yeah, it is a gravel ship. So we're going to head to the corner. Hope for the best. Yeah. Let's fly away! Alright. So while Jerry's playing with the hummingbird and trying to figure out the sensitivity here now.
I got set at 14.
Alright. What was the setup before?
It was at 10.
Okay. It probably goes up to 20, right?
Yeah. But he said 20 was too sensitive, right?
Yeah.
So
14 sounds good. Let's try it. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the 3/4 ounce jig and a grand finale. Got a slight east wind right now. I'm gonna try to find this bottom. Might have to turn this juice up just a little stronger because we got a strong east wind, bro. Okay. All right, so I'm finding the bottom, touching. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I just had a bite. Not even joking. Just had a bite.
Cheater.
No. So we're fishing roughly what? How deep? 30 feet.
30 feet.
Yeah, 29, 30 feet. Try to hug the shoreline first, where everyone usually catches their walleye. Don't know how well I'm gonna do, but it's always worth a shot. Come on, fishies. So you guys know every color that I use for my videos. You can actually find me on the shoreline. You guys can contact me on Facebook. Also, you guys can look up LSC Pro Tackle and you guys will find them there. Usually I'm working very hard and I work a full-time job and stuff like that. So I ain't got always the time to be there for everyone. So I got Justin and Alan to help me out. And they've been a blessing. So you guys get a chance to go in there and check out the store and stuff like that. Check it out. Now they got a lot of cool stuff. They're very really cool people. And if you actually want to know about fishing, they'll tell you where some good spots are and where there's some actually fish. Grand Finery.
It's the Grand Finery time. Where's that fly?
Fucking love you, but you're not doing me well right now, man. I am Iron Man. There's gotta be fish out here. Yeah, Jerry!
Smallmouth?
No! Walleye! Oh, smallmouth! First fish of the day, guys! That's what's pecking our line. Cool!
Hey, they just come! He's still in season!
Onto the stringer. I'm just kidding. We don't do that with bass. Some people do it, tell us that they're delicious. Not our style. We fish them for sport. Hey, look, we're not the only boat. There's the boat on the America side now.
Yeah. Look how tasty he is, eh?
Oh man, they're good pound and a half.
Yeah, a little pounder.
Yeah.
A little pounder, pound and a quarter.
Oh yeah. So Jerry, first strike. Oh!
Oh, Jesus shit.
Oh!
Hey?
Oh!
Not fucking small fish.
That's a walleye. Yeah. Yay! Iron Man! I am Iron Man! So guys, my first walleye of fall is on the Iron Man.
Shit everywhere.
He is pooping everywhere. So there you guys go. Nice little walleye, a good size eater. Onto the stringer, brothers. Whew. Awesome. Yeah, we're gonna get some good eats, brother. All right, so we're fishing 37 feet in the water right now. First drift we hit 42. We got a smallmouth and a walleye. There's my boy Devin and Gab on shore. Devin! Gotta spook your boy on there. I'm hoping that he catches like a 60-inch muskie. What the hell are you casting? What are you casting? Oh yeah? Alright. With the crank? Nice. Yeah. So he's throwing the crank on shore. Hopefully they catch something. I'm wishing them best of luck. They're always rooting for us. Oh! Fish! Yep. Yes. Second walleye, bro. Iron Man. On the Iron Man, guys. Right through the stars. Straight to the stringer. Straight to the stringer, guys. That one's actually a nicer one.
There's another one sitting right here on my back.
Yeah, but on the Iron Man, bro. This is the color that Jerry actually told me to make.
He didn't believe me it would work.
And we actually made it better than what it really was from before, but second fish. Thanks, Jerry Bear. You on fire.
Don't listen to me or things like that, but you know, I know what I'm talking about.
All right, walleye number 2. Number 2. All right, let's get back in there. 37 feet of water, bro.
The diamond bell.
Yeah. Barely anybody on it. But... So guys, there you go. We'll do a new vehicle today. Diamond Bell. This is I think the American side boat that they have. We have, what is it? The
I have no idea.
Mikasa Bay or something like that. Mikasa Bay. This is their boat. So vehicle of the day, party boat, Diamond Bell. Oh, it didn't even have that recording. Cool. All right. Alright guys, I just started the drift and I ended up catching a third one here and I just forgot to turn on my camera, but we're at 3. We're at 3. Okay.
Chili.
All the weights in the back and oh shoot.
Oh shit.
Oh, oh, yeah. Yes. Woo.
Actually just popped off.
All right.
It just fully spiked out already like that. Wow. Luckily you just fell right in the net.
Yes. All right.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. How much? How much?
Woo, that's a good one there, guys. So, 4th walleye of the evening right there. Roughly about a 3-pounder or so. Felt a nice pop. I was still using the Iron Man.
Iron Man ridiculous today.
Iron Man, brother.
Wow. Never mind. You're like changing now. No, I had Iron Man on earlier. Nothing. No, I just tried to drop straight down. My line was all the way over there.
Oh, but the boat spun. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Right. No worries. Just gotta do it.
Okay, let me spin this back around for us. Sorry, brother.
Let's go on the rope. Thank you.
Alright guys, so this may be our last drift of the night. It's starting to get dark. I don't really fish on the boat in the dark and never have. We've got our lights on and stuff like that, but still, you don't want to go in the danger. But we ended up catching 4 walleyes so far and a smallmouth. We missed a bunch of fish. Probably missed like 5 or 6. Yeah, so hopefully we can get another couple before this run is done. And I'll have to call it the video. So let's catch some more fish, guys. Come on, 1 more each. Slayer. You never know, man. It might just turn on in this darkness. Darkness Brothers. No, darkness. Yeah. You knew exactly. Darkness Brothers. Unity.
Go ways off that boat.
Yes, Jerry. Yes.
Smalley.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Rapid head shakes, dude.
Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah. All right, so we got another fish. We're gonna check that out in a second. I want to see that fish, Jerry. So we got 5 on the boat now. That's like the exact same spot I got my big one. Like the exact spot, bro. Yeah, there's no waves off that boat, eh? That thing passed us so long ago. Yeah, Jerry. Yeah! Nice catch, bro. Alright guys, so the sun is setting right now. Pretty much gone, but it is dark out. Got 5. Hoping to get at least one more somehow, some way. Pete, you gotta get one? Jerry just caught a really nice one. But like I said, we had a tough day. Caught some walleyes. It's just the start of the run. I will see you guys when you guys get down here. I was using the Ironman. I actually got 4. Jerry was using the Mahi
Glow.
Yeah, the Mahi Glow, which is made by Buckshiner also. And we actually did pretty well there. Jerry missed a bunch of fish, caught a smallmouth bass, and we'll have to catch you guys out here sooner. It's dropping right now, 26. Ooh! Yes! Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, that's a big one. That's a really big one.
Right out of the water.
Oh my god!
That might have been a muskie. Just broke you off.
No,
Oh,
it's the...
off. Oh, okay. I thought you broke off for a second.
Bro! Damn!
Oh, we're good in shallow water.
Alright guys, we're gonna end our day there. Nice little batch of walleye. That's a big one, bro. There's 2 nice ones in there. Yeah, there's 2 nice ones in there. So like I said, it's getting dark. We're gonna drop Pete back off on the shoreline.
We had to drop him off by the water where it's like lower railing.
No, we'll get him over there. We're good. Like, oh. Thank you, Pete. Oh, we're going in circles. We're going in circles. Alright. Alright guys, so like I said, we're gonna end our day there. Getting dark. Gonna get Pete back onto the shoreline. We did pretty well. We got a nice little batch of walleye for the start of the season. Jerry got a walleye and a smallmouth. I caught 4 walleye. And Pete missed a bunch of bites, but we still had a lot of fun. Got to pull Pete out for like 45 minutes, which is actually a good thing. But there's gonna be a lot more outings with him because he's f***ing hilarious. Alright, so guys, catch you on the next one. Fuck off!